Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you two new things I've got installed, and it's right in the engine bay. That's why I got the hood open. But first off, let's take a look at the engine bay. I recently got this detailed, did a good nice cleanup and got it dressed up really clean. I mean, I tend to keep the engine bay clean anyways, but yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the two new things I got installed. All right, first off, I got the new, or I should say, Grimmspeed version 2 turbo heat shield installed. If I can get right in there, you can see that back there. Grimmspeed stainless steel finish. Not too hard to install. Yes and no as far as getting out the old turbo heat shield, but other than that, the new one is more bigger. There's only really 3 bolts to really put on. Just offers you some versatility when it comes to if you have a new downpipe. But in my case, I'm all stock. So other than that, I mean, I've had that sitting around for quite a while. Didn't really get time to install it in my previous STI, so I was like, why not? Wasn't able to sell it, so I went ahead and installed it right into the new STI. And the second thing I got installed is the new OVERTAKE TMIC, or top mount intercooler hoses. Just a little upgrade from the stock hoses. These are silicone, 5-ply, I believe, is what it's made out of. Other than that, I mean, there's not much to it. The inside one, you might have to trim it down a little bit, as it does come a little bit bigger, but that's just to offer, versatility once again for other turbo setups or whatever setup you have on your car. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. I know taking off this thing can be a pain, and it is kind of to put it back on. Actually, it's easy to take off, but requires some time to put back on. Um, what else can I say? The Overtake is a new company. Um, Previously, the owners or creator of Grimmspeed has went on and did his own thing with that. So that's all I can say about that. But other than that, I mean, pretty straightforward. They do offer 2 colors, red and black. I went with black, just more stealthy looking in my opinion. It comes with the 2 new clamps for the turbo there also. And but other than that, I mean, that's the 2 new things I've got, is the turbo heat shield and the top mount intercooler hoses. My other hose is why I did get a new one or wanted to upgrade, is because it was getting pretty brittle. Um, from taking out an intercooler here and there, I'm sure, from the previous owner or whatever. And I decided, just for peace of mind, decided just to get the hoses. So that's kind of that there. I'll probably show you the previous hose that I have and kind of compare that. But yeah, it's not it wasn't good looking. Not only that, but it's rubber, so it tends to get a little brittle from over time. But with the silicone hoses, it's pretty much you're set, for a lifetime. So that's pretty much it. So I'm going to show you what I mean here. This hose, nothing really wrong with it. This is the one that connects to your throttle body, from the intercooler to the throttle body. Now this is the one that's way inside, connects, from the intercooler to the turbo. This is the turbo side, so as you can tell, it is kind of beat up, a little beat up. So yeah, and it is, like I said, rubber. Not much flexibility compared to the silicone, but yeah, that's pretty much it there. So pretty short video. That kind of sums up the video, just showing you guys 2 new things I got installed. Um, Other than that, I think in the next video I'm gonna try to go over probably exterior mods on the car. Everything that is on the car that I've done, or a lot of it already came with the car, so I'll probably show you guys that too. I mean, you can kind of see what's there, but we'll talk about it a little bit more further depth, get into detail with some things. And yeah, that pretty much sums up the video. Go ahead, subscribe, comment, like, tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.